Mawlid al-Nabi, the birthday of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, holds a special place in the hearts of Muslims around the world. This significant day is marked by a deep reverence for the Prophet and serves as an occasion to reflect upon his life, teachings, and the profound impact he had on the world. Muslims often engage in various acts of devotion and celebration on this day. Mosques are adorned with lights and decorations, and gatherings are held to recite poetry, sing hymns, and recount the life story of the Prophet. Many Muslims use this day as an opportunity to deepen their understanding of his character and the principles he espoused, such as compassion, justice, and humility. One of the most common practices associated with Mawlid is the recitation of Nayat, a form of poetry that praises the Prophet's qualities and his role as the seal of the prophets. Additionally, Muslims often engage in acts of charity and goodwill, emphasizing the importance of generosity and kindness, just as the Prophet exemplified throughout his life. Families come together to share meals and exchange gifts, fostering a sense of unity and community. It's important to note that the observance of Mawlid varies among different Muslim communities and cultures. While some choose to observe it with large public celebrations, others may have more intimate gatherings or engage in personal acts of devotion. Regardless of the form it takes, the underlying message of Mawlid remains consistent: to honor and emulate the exemplary life of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and to strive for the values of peace, love, and righteousness that he championed throughout his lifetime.